Most people set financial goals and still stay broke. Why? Because they skip the one framework that turns money dreams into actual results. If you've ever said, I want to save more, or I want to be rich someday, you're not alone. But here's the problem. Vague goals get vague results. In today's video, I'll show you how to set financial goals that actually work using the SMART formula, plus 3 game-changing tips to make them stick. Stay until the end, because I'll also give you a simple financial goal tracker you can start using today. Here's what most people do. They write down goals like make more money, pay off debt, or save for a house, and then nothing happens. Without clarity and structure, your brain doesn't take it seriously, and neither does your wallet. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. It's used by top CEOs, athletes, and yes, millionaires. Specific, save $10,000. Measurable, track every 500 milestone. Achievable, can you reasonably hit it? Relevant, is it tied to your financial dream? Time-bound, add a deadline, by December 31st. Pause the video and write down your first SMART goal now. Tip number 1, reverse engineer your goals. Work backward from the goal. Want $5,000 in 5 months? That's $1,000 a month, or $33 per day. Suddenly, it's less scary. Big goals feel impossible until you break them into tiny steps. Tip number 2, write and track daily. Millionaires don't just set goals, they obsess over them. They journal them, track progress weekly, and course correct fast. Create a simple table with goal, deadline, weekly target, progress. Tip number 3, attach emotion to the goal. You won't save $10,000 just to have it sit in a bank. But if that 10K means freedom, moving out, traveling the world, or starting your dream business, it matters more. Write the emotional why behind your goal and keep it visible. Want help staying on track? I've made a free, simple financial goal tracker you can copy and start using today. The link's in the description below. No email opt-in needed. Just click and go. Setting SMART goals is how you turn chaos into control. If you take 10 minutes today to write your financial goals the right way, you'll be ahead of 90% of people. Make sure to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you how compound interest can turn your small savings into real wealth. See you there.